But your heart starts singing when you're winging across the floor.
No Chinese, no Indian. No, no. Most of my friends doesn't like Indian. Yeah. You should tell me the first 3 days in Bangkok. My first 3 days. Dream Hotel. Auch the same place. We know the owner is getting good price. And from yesterday to this day, the hotel the same place, banana. I said only for 1 night and just wake up at 7 o'clock. So it's okay for 1 night. But in the first one, how much do you pay? I pay 3,000. It doesn't matter. 3,000 baht for 1 night, but it's a great apartment. Yeah. It's okay. Normally, I normally price. What's the normal price? I think 4.5.
The problem was that the last week there were an exhibition in Bangkok. And the prices were much higher. Yeah. We paid 5,700 a day. That's worth screaming at the end. When you book the internet, they show a better price, 2,900. Then you book, and when you pay 5,700, taxation increase because. They were checking us. But no way.
But this Dream Hotel, that's very good. Let's try it next time.
I have met my friend.
And they have 2 houses. The house behind it is very nice suite. But for the best, we pay 3,000.
The breakfast is okay. It's a dream. I have to sign it. I will tell to my friend.
Yesterday evening and then yesterday evening. Yeah, we must go. Then he comes up and okay, 2 Nescafe. But I see it not on your bill extra. I made it here, no surprise here. No. I gave you 40 baht for 2 Nescafes. Oh, it's nonsense. But later in the taxi, he called and say, sorry, this was that you have yesterday. Oh, ich gucke das so los.
Do you remember when in your hotel there were the big years ago? Big room. And you have to put the number of the room and to see the movie and so on. I've never did it because I
32 طبعا مقدار الطائرة الآن في مطار دبي الدولي هذا التوقيت المحلي من 10 إلى الساعة 1:15 لأحدكم وسلامتكم يجب عليكم البقاء جالسين في مقاعدكم إلى أن تتوقف الطائرة نهائيا وتصبح في المقاعد. قبل مغادرة الطائرة تأكدوا من جميع أملاككم الشخصية الموجودة في المقاعد التي أمامكم أو في الخزائن العضوية. لمعلوماتكم يمكنكم استعمال أجهزة ومتحركة الآن. أعزائي الآباء والأمهات المسافرين على الرحلة مع أطفالهم دون أعمارهم. وطيران الإمارات تقديم خدمة توفير عربية الأطفال للاستخدام في داخل مبنى مطار دبي الدولي. يمكنكم الحصول على العربية في أماكن محدودة ومحددة بإرشادات الأماكن المتوفرة. وعند دخولكم مطلق المطار يرجى المسافرين المستخدمين لهذه الخدمة ترك العربية عند بوابة المغادرة رحلتكم التالية أو في صالة الوصول أو القادمين. إن كانت وجهتكم الأخيرة إلى دبي وقد ثبتتم حذر حقائبكم عليكم التوجه إلى حزم الأمتعة رقم 12 لاستلام حقائبكم. نود